So got on the phone with the client. They said, hey, I'm 35. I've got this new job. I'm trying to decide what to do with this money that I've set aside now for retirement. So I said, awesome. What are you looking at? So 35 years old, got three kids, got a wife, and he's got $160, all right, a month to put away for retirement, which is great. However much you've got, guys, if you're not saving for retirement, start somewhere. Okay. And so I said, well, you know what, sir, let's do this. Let's do a comparison. Okay. Because he was trying to decide, should I go put that into my company's 401k, or should I learn more about cash value and use life insurance for retirement? Every single time I get excited again when I see how good it is. So I said, well, hey, we actually have some software that analyzes it for our clients so that it's not just, hey, take my word for it. It's, hey, let's put in the data and I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like. So we put in the data, we said 160. Let's say you put 160 into a 401k. Here's the average rate, da da da, all that stuff. Let's do the same into a what we call an IUL, or a tax-free retirement account. So it does that for 30 years, get 65. What does that look like? We pull up the 401k. If he puts that 160 a month into the 401k, when he turns 65, he's still got to pay taxes on all of that. Okay. And so after taxes, the amount that he would get per year is $2,300. It's not even $200 a month. So I just asked him, I said, hey, is that going to be enough for you to live off of? And he was like, are you joking? He was like, what? So then I said, well, hey, let's look at what the IUL does, what the tax-free retirement account does. So pull it up, same thing. Since it's tax-free, he's not going to have to worry about taxes. He's already paid taxes. And because of the way that the compounding interest works in these accounts, and he can never, ever lose money in these accounts. All right, you ready for this? 14,300 annually. Went from 2,300 per year, or he could
Oh.
choose 14,000 per year. Do you know how quickly he was like, how can I sign up? I want to do this. I want to start yesterday.